Hi guys.
Hey, Brenna. All right, so today, Brenna's gonna learn how to, show the light, how to get the wire harness for that light ready to install on a truck. She's gonna put a butt connector on the wire harness.
Is this the way?
Yep. So we strip the wire, and she's gonna insert it in the butt connector.
So you just put it inside the middle hole?
All the way in.
And then until it hits the plastic, and then you hold the wire with one hand and then squeeze as hard as you can. And then you take that hand off and then squeeze it as hard as you can. And then you
Perfect.
open it. You give it a pull test. And it should not fall out when you give it a pull test. And then
Then you can heat shrink that one side.
And then you heat shrink that one side by using a torch.
And we'll go by just the bottom half.
You go by just the bottom half, not the top.
There you go.
And then the top of it's still gonna be warm, so do not touch it after. And then you let that get cool, and then you install it to the LED
Take that.
recessed strobe light.
And then it's ready to crimp onto your existing truck wire harness.
So you just let that cool off for a second.
Bring this in here.
Then you put it
Push it.
right inside that. Then you just install it to a truck, and then you have your light, your strobe light, and it's ready to use. Bye guys.